Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we will continue to our next part 3, data analysis. Okay, so using SPSS. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. So I already opened the SPSS software, and also this is the questionnaire sets for tutorial. I hope that you can refer back to my previous video, how I show the tutorial uh, to convert the raw data into the SPSS. Okay, for the part A for the questionnaire and for part B for the questionnaire. Okay, so now I already finished all the process for part A and part B. Now I'm going to show the tutorial how to do for the part C. Okay, for the questions, okay, as you can see from here, this is the questionnaire about the perception of online banking in Malaysia. So now we are discussing on the part C, demographic information. Okay, so for the first question, it is gender. Okay, so we can open our SPSS and go to the variable view side. Okay, I already uh, set the name, which is part C, question 1, part C, question 2, part C, question 3, and part C, question 4, and the last one is part C, question 5. Okay, for the part C, question 1, it is about gender. So now we have to set the value, which is 1 is for male and 2 is for female. Okay. Then we continue with the question part C2, which is age. The first value is for 20 to 30 years old. Second value is for 31st to 40 years old. Third value is for 41 to 50 years old. And the value for is for 51 and above. Okay. Okay, so that's all for the question number 2. Now the question is about the marital status of the respondent. The first one is married. The second one is single. So now we move to the question number 4, which is we ask the respondent about the income category. Okay, so for the first value is 1,000 and below. Value number 2 is for 1,001 to 2,000. You may refer to the question, okay, to set the questionnaire inside the SPSS, okay. So for the question number 4, the choice number 3 is 2,001 and 3,000, okay. 2,001 to 3,000. Number 4 is to 3,001 to 4,000. And number 5 for above 4,000. So now next to the last question, we want to ask the education background for the respondent. The first value is for SPM. Second value is for STPM, matriculation or CGL. The value 3 is for diploma. Value 4 is for degree. 5 is for master. And 6 is for other. So now we already finished all the questions, okay, for the variable view side. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so for the income is about ranking. We want to do the ranking. Okay, it's up to the respondent whether they want to make the income as a ranking or to the nominal group. Okay, so in this case, we are setting as a nominal so that we can make it as like for the group of respondent that have income category below than 1,000 ringgit. So they are in the group first. Okay, so we set it as nominal. Okay, so now we finish on the part C. So after this, I will come up with the video how to show you to do the data analysis. Okay, based on what is the requirement for your research. It is depend on your research objective. Okay, so now I'm showing you the data view side. Okay, data view side. So please take note that now you have to answer. Okay, you have to take all the answer from the respondent and put it here. Okay, because after this we are going to convert the raw data into the useful information. Okay, as you can see from the top above. Okay, so this is the part A1. You can see when you just put the arrow here. Okay, label, do you have computer at home? And for the second question is, do you have internet connection at home? Okay, so every details is already here. And then now, the number, okay, the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is belong to the respondents. Okay, this is the answer from the first respondents. Okay, this is the answer from the second respondents and for the third respondent and so on. Okay, and let's say let's say for the first question, we have, do you have a computer at home? And the answer is yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, let's say if you are making the answer is only yes and no, which is 1 and 2. Okay, if you are mistakenly put number 3, which is you not set up, the 3 is for what? Again, okay, and you not even set number 3 as what value for, so you will generate a wrong data. Okay, it will be error, so they cannot analyze the data. So make sure you are putting the right number, which is if the respondent answer yes, mean it is 1. If respondent answer no, mean it is number 2. Okay, so make sure when you are putting the numbers from the respondent answer, you are carefully check and put the numbers. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, after this, for the next video, I will come with the complete data. Okay, for at least for how many respondents, I will make it complete the data, and after this we will proceed with the data analysis. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Assalamualaikum.